In this video, we will talk about control statement. There are three types of control statement. One is selection statement, another is iteration of looping statement, and another is jump statement. In this video, we will talk about the selection statement, and inside that selection type, we will especially talk about if, else, and else if statement. So in many programs, we'll come into a situation where everything is going well, but we need to do something on our program based on some condition. So to do that, we will actually use conditional statement. So suppose in here I have taken two variables, one is x and another is y. Based on some condition, I will print out only one value, and the condition will be kind of like this. So if x is greater than y, then I will print out x. And now if I run the code, it is giving me nothing because the condition is false. So inside of this if else conditions code is not executed. So here comes another statement, and for this kind of scenario I can use else. So else actually means that if the condition is not true, then the code which is inside else block, this will execute. So in else here, if I print out y, and now if I run the code, I'm having 7 because y value is 7. So here at first x is greater than y, and the condition is not true, so that's why the code which is inside else block is executed. Suppose we need more conditions, like based on some other conditions, we need to use else if based on that condition. And inside else if, we will write other conditions, like if x double equals to y, then we will print out x and y are same value. So we are not only using one condition, here we use two conditions, and if these two conditions are not true, then we will execute the else conditions code. And we can also extend more conditions using else if, and this list goes on and on. And now if I run the code, I'm having 7 because x is not greater than y, and x is also not equals to y. So that's why the code which is inside else block is executed. And here I have written just one line of code, so that's why I can remove these curly braces. And now if I run the code, I'm having 7, and I'm having the same value. Code is running correctly. But if I have to write more than one line of code, then I have to use curly braces. Here suppose if I written x is greater than y, and now if I change the value, and now if I run the code, I'm having 7 because x is greater than y, and here x is printing out, and right after that line of code I'm printing x is greater than y. So the code is executing as we expect it to do.